Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
ऑनलाईन परीक्षा मागपी विद्यार्थ्यांक एबीव्हीपीच्या वखद. परीक्षा फुडें धुकलची म्हणून एबीव्हीपीची मागणी मान्य. परीक्षा 14 दिसांनी फुडें धुकल्ल्या. परीक्षा थारिल्ले वेळेतूच जातली म्हूण सांगपी गोंय विद्यापीठाची रजिस्ट्रार राधिका नायक बेगफुटार गेली. 24 वरां भितर परीक्षा फुडें धुकल्ल्या म्हूण सांगपी सर्क्युलर काडलो. सर्क्युलर काडचे आदी तिने कितें सांगिल्लें तें आयकात.
एबीव्हीपीचे भुरगे आयिल्ले, their demand was to postpone the exam. We told them that the matter will be discussed with principals and then the decision will be taken. The matter was discussed with principals. All principals have assured that syllabus has been completed and that there is no problem for exams to continue on schedule. Because already they have been postponed once. Exams were supposed to start on December 4th. Instead of that, they have been scheduled for January 4th. So students knew very well that exams are going to start on January 4th. So now their request to postpone exams further has not been accepted. So exams will go on as per schedule.
आता हे सर्क्युलर पळयात. परीक्षा 4 फेब्रुवारी ते 23 जानेर मेरेन न्ही तर 18 जानेर ते 6 फेब्रुवारी मजगती जातली. ऑनलाईन परीक्षा मात थारिल्ले वेळेतूच जातली. विद्यार्थ्यांक परीक्षेची तयारी करूंक 14 दीस. आता ऑफलायन ऑनलाईन इश्यू लागीं लागीं सोंपिल्ल्यात जमा. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.